good, YouTube fans? It's your boy Zay back with another video, man. As you can see by the title and the thumbnail, I have two of my EDCs right here. I got the Hellcat Pro, I got the 43X. They both are unloaded. We're safe environment, controlled environment. But the topic of today's video is which gun is flatter? It's which gun is flatter, and how do they handle with the carry ammo? Somebody brought it to my attention in one of my older videos that they asked, how does the carry ammo shoot? Because obviously it's different from the range ammo, which is true. And I knew that, but I just didn't think of making a video on that. So I'm sacrificing a box of hollow points today. Everybody know they're expensive, but I got a 50-round box of them. And we're gonna see which EDC is flatter, which one's better with the carry ammo, man. I think it's 124 grain hollow point, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, we're finna get right into it, put some shots down range, and yeah, I'll see y'all then. Okay, you guys, I am back. I have both of the EDCs, and I did go ahead and take the light off of the 43X just to make this as fair as possible, because I do not have one on the Hellcat Pro. So I didn't want the light to kind of, you know, hold the front end down. So I did go ahead and take that light off just to keep it as fair as possible. And I have two of the, I hope you guys can see that. I have two of the exact same kinds of ammunition in each gun. I kept both of them 15 rounds just so I can keep it all as even as possible. Since I'm shooting 15 rounds, I got 15 in both. I'm gonna shoot 5 apiece just so we can get a basis. So 43X, not really that snappy. I put the tape on here, the grip tape. I haven't put the sights on here yet, but I do have them. Or the I got night vision sights to go in here, but that's besides the point. But the grip, I put the grip on here so it helps a little more. But now I'm gonna take a shot with the Hellcat Pro to see how it does. 5 shots. How many was that? 5? I gotta get better with this gun, man. I don't know. I don't know. We're gonna see though. We're gonna see. We're gonna set the camera up different and see if I can get a better angle of it. Let's see from this angle. I don't know. Y'all tell me what y'all think. Maybe I just suck. I need to get better. Oh, Lord. I don't know, man. I don't know. Let's go back to the 43X. Let's see. Hellcat Pro. I cannot hit with this Hellcat, man. I don't know. Either my target moving or I just suck with this Hellcat.
Nigga, shut the fuck up, boy.
I don't know, man. I'm finna get some more rounds loaded up. We finna shoot some more. I got to get better with this Hellcat. I think it's just 'cause I've been training with this gun so much, I done kind of got used to the optic. I kind of suck with the Hellcat right now. But I got to get better with the Hellcat. But we finna get some more rounds loaded up, and then we finna shoot some more. All right, I'm back. I got a 43 loaded up. Finna take a shot with this first. 5 shots. I'm disappointed with myself. Hellcat Pro. We gotta get better, man. We gotta get better. Ah. I don't know, man. They're getting pretty terrible. I can't shoot the gun. You can do it! I cannot shoot this gun. I don't know what it is about this gun, but when I first got it, I was shooting good with it. Like I said, I think I just don't got used to it. I don't get it though. I'm putting it on the target. I don't know. I know y'all gonna drill me in the comments. All right, so overall, even though I didn't do that much shooting, we are clear, by the way. Clear again. Magazine's empty. We are clear again. But even though I didn't do that much shooting, I honestly can't tell that big of a difference. Me personally, I don't think it's that huge of a difference. Not that I can tell anyway while I'm shooting. Besides the fact that I can't hit now on this gun, as you guys can see. But I'm gonna get better, you know. But as far as recoil and which one shoots flatter, I can't really tell the difference. Coco, I'm recording a video, Coco. Go on somewhere. Go lay down. Go. I'm recording a video. Anyway, I can't really tell the difference. It's not a difference that I can really tell. Nothing that's just gonna deter me from shooting one or the other. I would say they're probably about the same, to be honest. So yeah, that's my final conclusion. Having both of them right here at the same time, trying to see which one is flatter. If I just had oh Coco, if I just had to pick one, I would probably say Hellcat Pro. If I had to pick one. Oh my God, everything going wrong. Coco, get down. Get down. Get down. That's it, guys.
Wait for it. Here it comes. Almost there.
I know what y'all saying. Say you can't shoot. You missing the target. Blase, blase, blase. I know, I get it. Listen, I'm gonna keep training. I'm gonna keep practicing. I will never be defeated in any aspect. I will not let these guns defeat me. I will keep training with these guns. I will get better because that's what they're made for, to train, to use. These are tools. I will get better with my tools. But with all that being said, I love each and every one of y'all. I appreciate all y'all for liking, commenting, subscribing. You guys let me know what you want to see next. Let me know what you want to see more of. Please, please be safe at the range. Be safe in general. Always be safe. Safety is key. Safety is number one. Be safe. Get out and train as much as you can. Dry fire, do whatever it is you got to do to get better. But with all that being said, I love y'all, and I'm out.
Before a dog so broke, I'm praying for him. She up nigga waiting for me. Dr. Trench banking on me. When I hit the bank, they know me. I feel like they favorite cause this is not a 5G.